Home Remedies presents
the most incredible way to soak your feet you have never tried. A refreshing foot soak can lead to pH levels balance in your body and majorly improve your mood. They also claimed that it can treat swellings, boost the immune system, kill bad microorganisms, improve your heart's health, and relieve stress. One of the best ways when it comes to feet care is foot soaks. They actually destroy the fungi and bacteria. Not to mention that they relax your feet, detoxify the body, but also relieve pain. Here's what you are going to need. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of baking soda, 8 cups of water, juice of 2 lemon. Instructions: first, start by adding baking soda to your foot basin. Then start covering with warm water. Then grab 2 lemons and squeeze out its juice. Once done, put your feet in it, then start swishing them. Soak your feet for 20 minutes. Once done, take your feet out of the water, then use a towel to dry them. Then use a sponge to exfoliate them. An exfoliating sponge works perfectly. About the ingredients: lemon juice is antimicrobial and can help clean the skin, and it improves the health of your skin. Baking soda is known for being a component that has many effective uses, and it certainly makes an impact when it comes to your feet. It does many amazing tasks like taking care of bad odors, treating and softening the skin, and of course destroying bacteria and fungus. This foot soak is a great way to relax and detoxify your body because it absorbs every little toxin and waste through your feet, and it acts as a cleaner for your system.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.